Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open the Instagram app and go directly to your profile page now. Tap Edit Profile on the top of your profile screen to change visible details. Scroll to Public Business Information and locate category listed beneath your bio. Tap Category to open editing options and view available labels and the Display Category Label toggle. Use that toggle to hide the category label from your profile if you do not want it visible. This step works for business and creator accounts inside the Edit Profile menu. Tap Category and look through the list of available labels provided by Instagram. Choose None if you want to remove any category label from appearing on your profile entirely. Alternatively, pick a different label, but then toggle off Display Category Label to keep it hidden. Remember that removing the visible label does not disable business tools, contact buttons, or insights for your account. Those features remain active. After making your selection, use the Save or Done button to confirm the changes immediately. After you tap Save or Done, refresh your profile page to confirm the category label is hidden. If the label still appears, update the Instagram app to the latest version and restart the app on your device. Clearing the app cache or logging out and back in can also force the setting to refresh. Note that changes may take a few minutes to propagate across Instagram servers to display correctly for all viewers. If you use the desktop web interface, repeat Edit Profile there to verify consistency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.